Carbohydrates, your body's main energy source.
Carbohydrates are essential nutrients found in foods like bread, pasta, and fruit. They serve as the body's main source of fuel. But how does your body transform these carbs into usable energy? To understand this, let's follow their journey from your plate to your cells, uncovering the steps that power everything you do.
Digestion, breaking down carbohydrates.
When you eat carbohydrates, digestion begins in your mouth with enzymes that break down complex sugars. As food moves to your stomach and intestines, enzymes continue to work, turning carbohydrates into simple sugars like glucose. This glucose is then absorbed into your bloodstream, where it's ready for the next stage in energy production.
Glycolysis, glucose enters the cells.
Once glucose reaches your body's cells, it enters a process called glycolysis. This occurs in the cell's cytoplasm and involves breaking glucose down into smaller molecules. Glycolysis produces a small amount of energy and creates pyruvate, a crucial intermediate needed for the next steps of cellular respiration.
The Krebs cycle, unleashing more energy.
Pyruvate from glycolysis is transported into the cell's mitochondria, where it's further broken down in the Krebs cycle. This advanced stage of cellular respiration releases high-energy electrons, which are essential for generating even more usable energy that your cells need to function.
Electron transport chain, powerhouse of the cell.
The electrons from the Krebs cycle enter the electron transport chain, located in the mitochondria. Here, these electrons help drive the production of adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, the body's main energy currency. This final step efficiently converts energy from carbohydrates into a form your body can use for movement, thinking, and all vital functions.
From carbs to energy, the big picture.
In summary, your body converts carbohydrates into energy through a series of well-coordinated steps: digestion, glycolysis, the Krebs cycle, and the electron transport chain. Together, these processes enable every cell to harness the power stored in the foods you eat, keeping you energized and thriving throughout your day.